Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm going to explain about FastField components. In previous video itself, I have explained component. In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between the field and FastField components so you can understand easily. So field, when we are using this field in Formik, it will re-render the field for every validation. So this can slow the process when you have the large form, or when you have the validation function is expensive. To overcome this, when you use the fast field in Formik, it will not re-render for every changes in every field. It will re-render for particular field only. So this can be faster. In some cases, it can be avoided unnecessary re-render and validation checks. In generally, we have to use field only. We have to use fast field when there is a need, like when you use a large forms. So I will explain the difference practically in the demo. First of all, I'm going to import the fast field, and here in the bottom, for example, I'm going to create a new field. So here I'm going to create new field field, and inside I'm going to provide one calibraces arrow function and return. So here I'm going to provide one input input calibraces. So in previous video itself, I explained within this component we can use arrow function to get the values. So I want to get the field values. Field, here I'm going to provide spread operator field, and inside this arrow function I'm going to provide one console dot log field. So let's start the application. Now the home page has been rendered. So open the console. So here you can see the field values, right? So I'm typing here. So for this, I'm going to provide field. Here I'm going to type. You can see the field has been re-rendered multiple times. So if I change any other field also, this particular field will be re-rendered. So to avoid this re-rendering only, we are using fast field. So go to the import function and copy the fast field. Inside the form we have multiple fields, right? So we have to replace them with the fast field. So field, fast field, fast field, fast field. Here we have that fast field, and here we didn't give the name. So name field, I'm providing name as a field. So now we can refresh the page, and if we type here, it will not re-render. So we have given the console inside this last input. So in this input we gave, but If we type here, the value has not re-rendered here. You can see only console 2 times only. So I'm going to type in the last name also. Here also it is not re-rendered. So this is how the performance has been improved using the FastField. So give your thoughts about field and FastField in the comment section. If you have any doubt, I will definitely provide the solutions in the comment section. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, you will get the updates regularly.